Good morning guys, welcome to another coding vlog. Today I'm starting a journey of building a cross-platform email client for developers. And hold that thought for a second, I know what you're thinking. Do we really need another email client? We have gazillions of them already. I don't know about you man, I'm not satisfied with any of them, but let's discuss that outside. Well, let me pitch you guys. There's a subtle difference between a normal human being and a developer. Normal people look at emails as communications. Someone sent you a message, you replied, and done. But developers don't always look at emails like that. For us, email is also a task queue. It's a debugging dashboard where pipeline failures show up, where logs show up, production alerts. So when I open an email, I'm not just thinking who messaged me. I'm thinking, what broke? What needs my attention? Or is there something urgent? And none of the email clients happens to answer that question. Hence I decided to take matters in my own hands. And hence I decided to make an email client from scratch. Cross-platform, of course. I want to use it with my Arch Linux. So in this vlog, I'm gonna do what I like, and that is coding and building projects. Okay, enough blabbering. Let me show you the architecture. So here's the problem statement. I don't want this to be a Chrome wrapper or a pretty desktop shell. Drawing an inbox is an easy part. The hard part is email behavior underneath. If this is going to be a serious email client, we need IMAP to sync emails from the source mailbox. We need SMTP to send emails. Also, we might need email formatting as emails are not just plain text. It can be HTML, attachments, inline images, and all sort of weird nested formats. And also because this is like a real client, it should be offline first. And that's why UI should read from local database. In this case, maybe SQLite database. It's the most famous and most reliable one. And of course, a background sync service which will talk to Gmail, Outlook, and any other generic IMAP servers. And then that should go and update the local database. But Sunny, what about the security? Fable 5 is coming for us and we don't trust US government anymore. What about tokens and passwords? Where do we save them? The only thing that I could come up with is OS secure storage, not the plain SQLite database. Well, I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm expecting some bashing here in the comment section. I have already done some stack choices for my app and I'm gonna reveal it in my next vlog. And at the end of the day, I decided to work on building the initial version of the app. So stay tuned for the next vlog and thanks all for subscribing and giving all the love to this channel. See you in next one.